The man charged with killing a Purdue University classmate earlier this year has pleaded guilty to the crime. Good evening, everyone. I'm John Stair.
And I'm Andrea Moorhead. Cody Cousins admitted in a Tippecanoe County courtroom that he shot and stabbed Andrew Bolt in front of a classroom full of students. Cousins earlier pleaded not guilty to the crime, and his attorney said they would use an insanity defense at his trial.
Eyewitness News reporter Mary Mills is in West Lafayette tonight with a surprise guilty plea and what's next for Cody Cousins. Mary?
Well, what's next is sentencing, except for September 19th. Cody Cousins faces anywhere from 45 to 65 years in prison. Now, today's plea came just 6 weeks before the trial was to start, a trial that would have likely involved several dozen student witnesses. Just days before classes start, with freshman orientation and band practice underway, came news of Cody Cousins' guilty plea. The plea, a surprise and relief to students here on campus when the horrific crime took place in January.
It would have been a lot to hear about a trial all the time. It would have been kind of something in the back of everyone's head. It's just kind of a relief. I mean, put him away for good, I guess.
I think it's good that he pleaded guilty because, you know, there were so many witnesses, so I think it really saved the trouble for the people who are traumatized and his family as well, because, you know, having to go through that and then having to drag it out longer, you know.
Cousins' attorney says Cousins told the court he went to the electrical engineering building intending to kill fellow student Andrew Bolt, shooting and stabbing him in front of some 24 students.
Mr. Cousins was fully coherent, knew what was going on, and it was his own free act. It was completely voluntary and intelligent, and knowingly what he did, he pled guilty. That's what we did what my client wanted to do.
Cousins did not offer a motive, but the plea of guilty but mentally ill will be an issue during sentencing next month. And a guilty but mentally ill determination means that Cousins would be entitled to mental health counseling and treatment. It could also factor in the judge's sentence, a sentence, though, that cannot be any less than 45 years. We're live in West Lafayette. Mary Mills, Channel 13 Eyewitness News.